This is one of the most important question of average. You have seen this question several times in your previous year paper, and this is going to be very important for your upcoming exams as well. Here in this video we are going to learn the easiest way and how we are going to solve this within 3 to 5 seconds. Yes, within 3 to 5 seconds you can solve this question. But before that, you have to understand the question and you have to watch the full video. So let's start with the question. The average weight of 20 students in a class is increased by 0.75 kg when one of the students weighing 30 kg is replaced by a new student. The weight of the new student in kg you need to find. So let us understand the question. Here it is said that total 20 students were there in a class. One of the student is going away whose weight is 30 kg. In place of that particular student, a new student is joining, and because of his joining, the average weight means for each student the weight is increasing by 0.75 kg, and total how many students are there? 20 students. You are asked to find out the age of the new student. So here what you need to do is, total how many students are there? 20 students, and for each student there is an increase of 0.75 kg because here average increase is given. So if you want to find that total what is the increase, then what you need to do, 20 students were there total multiplied by what is the increase of per student, you are going to multiply. So if you multiply this, you are going to get 15. That's it. Now as total this is the increase, that means who is coming, he is bringing this much extra, or his weight is 15 kg more than the one who went away. So one who went away, his weight was 30 kg. So in this 30 kg, if we add the increase in the value, that is 15, you are going to get 45. That means the weight of the new student is 45 kg. So this is your homework. You are going to solve this sum and comment your answer. If you find the content of this video helpful, like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if you want to get the notification of newly uploaded important videos with tricks, you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important concept.